before, at least 3 weeks were required to prepare a consistent design and a set of deliverables. Now this can be done more or less in 1 week time. Since time is money at the end of the story, this allowed us also to save money and resources.
Fata is, let me say, a very old Italian company. It was established in Turin in 1936. Nowadays, we are a pure engineering, procurement, construction company. So we are able to provide and implement large and complex industrial projects in the power sector, in the industrial and chemical. I am responsible for the business development of the company. So my focus is to find projects all over the world in conventional power generation and renewables power generation, mainly in the PV utility scale projects.
Challenges were mainly related to, let me say, the very short time available to prepare basic design for PV plants required for our bids. This was creating like a domino effect on all the subsequent activities in terms of costing and commercial activities. We used to spend more time in meetings just to understand which bid we could afford in terms of time for the engineering to develop, rather than work on the actual work to be done.
We are facing a very big boom in the market about PV utility scale projects all over the world. We decide to gain our own tools and all the softwares that allow us to quickly answer to the clients.
We looked for a tool that was first ready to be used, meaning that was very user-friendly and that does not require a lot of training and long time to be able to use it effectively. Second, that was very quick for performing basic design and optimization. A tool that was able to produce automatically deliverables, in particular the BOQs, since according to our vision, this is essential to prepare an accurate pricing and so to submit a consistent quotation to our clients.
RatedPower allowed us to be present in more than one deal and at the same time to face all the requests, for example, for the same project but submitted by several customers. And then thanks to RatedPower, we be able to provide accurate basic design in a very quick time, and then to generate a bill of quantities as much as possible reliable to provide a good price and as well a competitive price.
It also increased, let me say, by more or less 50% the amount of bids that we could prepare and we could submit, so increasing our chances to be successful.
We can consider ourselves very satisfied about our choice.